In this video, I'm going to teach you how to switch servers on Roblox PS5. So, if you're wondering if it's possible to play Roblox on your PS5, the answer is yes. To do that, you first need to make a private server. So, open your Roblox on your PS5 and navigate to Roblox that you want to create a server for. For example, is actually some runway games. So, check if private servers are available. If not, that's because not all games support private servers. But if it did, the option will be found under the Servers tab. Just purchase and configure and create a private server and follow the same steps as on PC. You can use Roblox to make the purchase and set access restriction. Configure a private server on Roblox and you can customize its settings by navigating the servers option and selecting configure. You can also modify the server name and access settings as well as set up survey links and manage the subscription. After that, you should be able to access your server right there. Now, from in there, if you want to switch servers, just log out of the server that you have and switch to the new server that you have created. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.